Hi everyone. Tonight I'll be making green chili chicken crescent bake. What all goes into the green chili chicken crescent bake? 2 teaspoons vegetable oil, 1 package 20 ounces boneless skinless chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces. This is 1.7 pounds. 1 can 10.5 ounces of cream of chicken soup, 1 can 4.5 ounces chopped green chilies, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1.5 cups shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 1 can crescent rolls 8 count, chopped fresh cilantro if desired. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take an 8-inch baking dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. And set that aside. In a large skillet, take your 2 teaspoons of oil and heat that over medium heat. Take your bite-sized pieces of chicken and put them in the skillet and cook them until they are no longer pink, about 6 to 8 minutes. So the chicken is no longer pink, reduce the heat to medium-low. Then add the 1 can of cream of chicken soup. The 1 can of chopped green chilies. The 2 teaspoons of chili powder, the 1 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to stir that up. Once I get that pretty much stirred up, then I'll add the cheese. All right, so add the 1.5 cups of cheese, which is shredded Monterey Jack cheese. And stir that constantly until heated through. After that has heated through, put that in the pan, the 8-inch pan. And smooth that out. Make sure the chicken's all throughout the pan and set that aside for just a minute. So take your crescent rolls, open them up, pop that. I know I'm going to scream. Separate them into the triangles. This is, I don't know why it's all wet. But for each triangle, you're going to cut them into thirds. And then lay them on top of the chicken mixture, overlapping, and I'll be back when that's done. So put your green chili chicken crescent bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. If necessary, that during the last 5 minutes, cover with foil if it is getting too brown. So here is the green chili chicken crescent bake, and rounding out the meal is air fryer corn on the cob, served on my new Van Casa sesame dot plate, and I'll leave a link to that down below. So let's see what Dave thinks. And I did forget to mention that you can garnish it with cilantro, so I did that as an afterthought.
I do not recognize this.
This is green chili chicken crescent bake.
Oh, that sounds interesting. That's Buddy, not me. That is very good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.